Hey, health enthusiasts! I'm excited to share something that might just be your new go-to snack. Yes, we're talking about sunflower seeds. Tiny, but mighty. These seeds pack a punch when it comes to boosting your health. So let's dive right in. Did you know that sunflower seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients? They're not just for birds, they're a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. First off, sunflower seeds are loaded with vitamin E, which is a key player in maintaining good skin health. It acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. Next, let's talk about magnesium. This is a mineral that many of us are actually deficient in without even realizing it. Magnesium plays a crucial role in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and muscle function. Just a quarter cup of sunflower seeds can provide you with nearly 30% of your daily magnesium needs. Isn't that amazing? Now, onto a big one: heart health. Sunflower seeds are rich in unsaturated fats, which can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. They also contain phytosterols, compounds that have a similar structure to cholesterol and can help lower cholesterol levels by blocking its absorption in the intestines. But that's not all. For those of you looking to manage your weight, sunflower seeds can be a great addition to your diet. They're high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Plus, the selenium found in sunflower seeds is crucial for thyroid function, which helps regulate your metabolism. And let's not forget mental health. These seeds are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that can help produce serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone. Serotonin can help improve your mood and may even aid in getting a good night's sleep. Now, before we wrap up, remember that while sunflower seeds are incredibly healthy, moderation is key due to their high calorie count. Incorporate them into your diet as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to homemade bread for a nutritious boost. I hope you found this dive into the benefits of sunflower seeds helpful. If you did, why not give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Altruist for more health tips and tricks. I love exploring these nuggets of wisdom with you, and there's plenty more where that came from. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this journey to a healthier life together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.